Overall market is performing really well after a small dip of Bitcoin at about 28,700. Right now the BTC is at stable price of 32,792, and even other altcoins are also performing well like Binance Coin, Cardano, XRP. All the altcoins are performing well. But in this video we are going to discuss about Shiba Inu coin, some major features which they announced yesterday. I am going to share all those features with you, and also we are going to check about the price prediction of this altcoin Shiba Inu. Right now the Shiba Inu is one of the best meme coin as per my own idea after Dogecoin. It has its own army. Now they are also working on the Shiba Swap, that is a DEX exchange of the Shiba Inu coin. So if you are the holder or are you planning to buy the Shiba Inu coin, this video is for you. Stay tuned. The big news for all the holders of the Shiba Inu coin: an entertainment group to accept Bitcoin, Ether and SHIB next month. And at this time, as per my own idea, Shiba Inu is listed almost on all the big exchanges which are available on CoinGecko, and even the exchanges which are available on CoinMarketCap. Every exchange is available. So if you are the holder, then don't take tension, because very soon the price of this coin will be huge. So what their article said, now I'm going to share all these things with you. So basically, Group Synco, which describes itself a Pargo, a largest entertainment company, will start accepting cryptocurrencies including BTC. The company plans to accept Ether, Shiba Inu and Chilis alongside the first cryptocurrency as form of payment at its 24 outlets. So definitely the price of Shiba will be huge very soon. As per my own idea, definitely I'm not going to say that overnight it will happen. It will happen, but still Shiba Inu is a new cryptocurrency and definitely it will take some more time to gain some more popularity. But as per my own idea, very soon you will be able to see that the community and some big traders are going to remove at least these two zeros in starting. Then this zero will also be removed in hardly 1 month or 2 months. So overall the entire idea behind the Shiba Inu is big and huge. So this is a very good news for the Shiba holders and also for the Shiba Inu community. So here you can see nightclubs are going to accept Bitcoin, Ethereum and Shiba Inu as the payment method. So overall this will help the Shiba Inu price to gain. Now in today's scenario, you can check one thing: all the altcoins are going down, but at that time I was checking the Shiba Inu coin again and again. At that time I realized one thing, that they basically the team of the Shiba Inu is entirely strong, because at that time the volume of this coin was about I think at 5021 like this. But at the time of the dip, they basically increase the volume in the Shiba Inu. So overall this coin will be huge. The team is working 24/7 on this token, and right now this token is also available on the Voyager. That is basically the biggest exchange where you can trade the stocks and also you can trade some cryptocurrencies. So major companies, major stock companies, some websites are also listing the Shiba Inu coin. So overall this will be good in future, but very soon a huge pump will occur when the team is going to announce about the main live stream of the exchange, the Shiba Swap, because at this time they are working on it every day. So when the exchange Shiba Swap will be live, definitely it will hit the price of the Shiba Inu up to minimum 90 to 100x at that time. What do you think about the price idea of the Shiba Inu? Do let me know in the comment section. Thanks a lot.